Welcome. This video is to help you learn English. The first lesson is about syntax. Here are some important words you will need to know. They will help you understand the lesson. You should translate these words to your language or put them in your own words. With some basic rules, learning English can be easy. First, we will learn about syntax. Syntax is very important in English. It is the order of words in a sentence. In some ways, syntax is more important than vocabulary, spelling, or pronunciation. English syntax has 4 important parts. The first part is the subject. Next is the helping verb. The third part is the verb. And finally comes information. Every sentence has a subject. The subject is who or what does the action in the sentence. In this sentence, the subject is the bird. Every sentence also has a verb. A verb is the action that is happening. The verb in this sentence is flying. Most verbs use a helping verb to show the time of the action, past, present, or future, and the tense of the action. For this sentence, the helping verb is means the action is happening in the present. We'll talk more about verb tense later. The other part of the sentence we will call the information. The information gives additional details about the subject and the verb. This can be a big or a small part of the sentence. Altogether, the parts make a complete idea. The bird is flying in the sky. Now we will look at a new sentence. The monkey is talking on the phone. Find the parts of this sentence. First, what is the subject of this sentence? Who or what is doing the action? The subject of this sentence is the monkey. Now, what is the verb in this sentence? What is the action that is happening? The verb in this sentence is talking. What is the helping verb in this sentence? The helping verb in this sentence is the word is. What information or additional details does this sentence have? The sentence uses the words on the phone to tell us more information about the subject and verb. Let's look at another sentence. The man is walking the dog. What is the verb or action in this sentence? Walking is the verb. What is the subject of this sentence? Who or what is doing the action? The man is the subject of this sentence. It is important to know that there are 3 main syntax forms in English: declarative, negative, and interrogative. Declarative sentences tell what is happening. Negative sentences tell what is not happening. Interrogative sentences ask what is happening. Each syntax puts the words in a different order. In declarative syntax, the order is subject plus helping verb plus verb plus information. For negative syntax, the order is subject plus helping verb plus not plus verb plus information. For interrogative sentences, the order is helping verb plus subject plus verb plus information plus question mark. Look how the order of the words changes for each syntax. This declarative sentence tells us that the man is walking the dog. This negative sentence adds the word not and tells us that the man is not walking the dog. The helping verb moves to make an interrogative sentence that asks, is the man walking the dog? Look at all three sentences. Each sentence uses the four parts: subject, helping verb, verb, information, but changing the order of the words, the syntax, changes what the sentence says. Now, practice identifying the syntax of each sentence. What is the syntax of this sentence? Maria is playing basketball. This sentence uses declarative syntax. What is the syntax of this sentence? The dog is eating the food. This sentence also uses declarative syntax. What is the syntax of this sentence? Was my brother working in the morning? This sentence uses interrogative syntax. What is the syntax of this sentence? My brother was not working in the morning. This sentence uses negative syntax. What is the syntax of this sentence? My mom was talking to my dad. This sentence uses declarative syntax. Here are the important ideas to remember about English syntax. First, in English, syntax is important. Syntax is the order of words in a sentence. There are three main syntax forms: declarative, negative, and interrogative. English syntax has four important parts: the subject, the helping verb, the verb, and the information. When you read or listen to English, pay close attention to the order of words. Look for the three syntax forms. Some sentences can be very complicated. Some are simple, but almost all sentences have these four parts. When you speak or write, practice using the correct syntax. Try making sentences. Change the order of the words to see how the meaning changes. The next video, we will learn more about syntax and verb tense. Good luck.